In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 1,000 plus real Threads followers in 24 hours or less. So Threads is by Instagram or Facebook. And I'm going to show you how you can get 1,000 plus real followers on your Threads account in 24 hours or less. So before we get started, on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and easily without any fluff. So if you could hit the subscribe button, it would really help me out. And with that said, let's get started. So we're going to go over to shoutcart.com, shoutcart.com, and we're going to just select Threads from the drop-down menu. From there, we're going to select our category, whatever niche your Threads account is in, and we're going to have a look at what pops up here. So you can see the prices here. The one that stands out to me here is this person has 156.7 Instagram followers, and it's only 30 bucks for a shout out. So let's go into their account here. They will do a permanent post on their Instagram account advertising your Threads account on their bio for 24 hours, and it's only 30 bucks, so that's very good. You can see all their information about where their traffic comes from, where their followers are from. You can see how many likes they get, how many comments they get, how many posts they have, and you can also see what you can purchase from them. You can see their reviews. They've had 2 5-star reviews, 1 3-star review, and 2 1-star reviews, and you can read the reviews down here. So this person actually doesn't have great reviews, so you might want to take a look around at someone else who has some better reviews. But for the sake of this video, I'll just show you how to do this. So then you would just select what you want. The best one there is going to be the permanent feed post with the link in the bio. Click on add to cart, give them your post that you want them to post, and give them the link that you want them to put in their bio, which is going to your Threads account to get you more followers on your Threads account. And that's it, guys. Very easy. So you can get 1,000 plus followers very quickly using this method, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. That's it for this video, guys. So hope you enjoy Shoutcart, and I'll see you inside the next video.